Every sauce that is on the menu right now, it's been tried and tested for at least about 3 months or could be more. I like to work with the spices and work with my wings together. Every day I try a new recipe, but not necessarily everything comes on the menu until I want to go back to them. And the day I want to go back to that sauce or a dry rub that I've made, that's when I put it on the menu. So over here, we offer wings for everybody. Some people love juicy and some people love crispy. Some people love like super crispy wing, but it's all about the flavor. So even if you have like just a naked wing, good wing is basically when you just take a naked wing and you just try and eat them and you get the flavor up to the bone. Without any sauce on it, you will get the flavor of it.